Someone said if you want to know a place, you'd better begin with the local dishes. And today is my first time here in چھنگھائی-Tibet Plateau. So let's go. I thought my friend would take me to have a taste of the yak meat, or the boiled mutton, or the highland barley bread. But wait, what's this? A fish? Seriously? The fish is produced in Longyan Gorge, which is about 150 kilometers away from Xining City. With an altitude of over 2,500 meters, it is the first gorge that the Yellow River passes after flowing across vast grassland. Longyan Gorge is actually a man-made reservoir, which not only changed the ecological environment, but also the lifestyles of local people. Most villagers who have been farming and herding for generations now fish and cook fish really well. 嗨，大哥好。来，哎，你好。After knowing that Feng might fish what I had eaten previously, I followed him to have a further look. Feng lives in the nearby village of Longyan Gorge. Before the reservoir was built up, his family lived on farming and herding too, but now he has been a skillful fisherman for over 10 years.
人是靠山吃山，靠水吃水。我到这水里面就开始，那时候肯定就17、18岁就开始抓鱼了。
Feng's daily work is all about fishing and processing fish. The fish is netted first, and then sucked into the tube to be butchered. The dead fish would then be placed into an ice box to retain freshness. Feng said that fishery is a gift from nature, and they never pursue interests at the cost of ecological environment. They won't overfish, and even created a manual handling system in case of water pollution.
搞了这一行业以后，家里的情况是慢慢的越变越好了。
Walking into one of the agri-tenements in the village, I came across some tourists who just finished their dinner. To know about more details, I had a talk with the owner.
鱼是我们龙安峡的就是主菜呗。我们在这个捕鱼方面，整整差不多30多年了，也可以吧？你看，咱们都评价都好的呗。现在变化这2年确实大的，卫生各方面都相当好了，比原来鱼可以多呗，挣了就6万个多块钱吧。
With the highest elevation in the world's mid-latitude region, the چھنگھائی-Tibet Plateau is known as the water tower of Asia. People in Qinghai has kept protection a priority and achieved win-win in both ecological conservation and high-quality development.